Hi, I'm Жаннар. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to introduce yourself in Kazakh. Whether you are just starting out or want to sound more natural, this guide is for you. Let's begin. There are different ways to greet someone in Kazakh. The first one is informal, is hello, salim. It's salim. And now let's learn the formal version. Сәлеметсіз бе. You see, all the vowels are soft. Сәлеметсіз бе. So you use salim with your friends or with the people in your age, and you use сәлеметсіз бе with older people or with strangers or in the formal situations. Now let's learn how to say our name. My name is Жаннар. Менің атым Жаннар. Менің is my, атым, my name, Жаннар. And now also learn how to say I am Жаннар. Мен Жаннармын. So you see that мын, if we translate that into English, it will be I am. Мен Жаннармын. Actually, we have 6 types of this M in Kazakh language. You can find them in my app. It's called Kazakh language. You can download it for free. Now let's learn how to say where you are from. I start with I'm from Almaty. Мен Алматыданмын. Мен Алматыданмын. And now let's say the country. Мен Қазақстаннанмын. Мен Қазақстаннанмын. So you see in Almaty, Алматыданмын, this dan, and in the Kazakhstan, Kazakhstannan, that is called ablative case. We also have 6 types for that. I'm sure your city and country is different, so in order to learn how to correctly add those endings, you can also go to my app. There you can find the materials about this ablative case. Now let's learn what you do, where do you study or work. Мен студентпін. It will be I'm a student. Мен, I, student, пін is I am. Мен студентпін. Now let's say I'm a teacher. Мен мұғаліммін. Мұғалім is teacher. мұғаліммін. I'm a teacher. Мен мұғаліммін. Or let's say I work in a company. Мен компанияда жұмыс істеймін. Мен is I, компания, company, компанияда, in a company, жұмыс істеймін. I work. Жұмыс істеу is to work. Мен компанияда жұмыс істеймін. Now let's say the age. I'm 25 years old. Менің жасым 25-те. Менің is my, жасым, my age, 25, 25, те is like at. We also have another way. Let's say I'm 30 years old. Мен 30 жастамын. So, мен is I, 30, жастамын, I am in that age. So, I think the second version, it will be a lot easier for you because you just put the number without any ending there, because you see that in 25-те we have also different type for that depending on the vowel and consonant harmony. So you can learn the second version. Мен 30 or just your number, your age, and then жастамын. Now let's learn how to say the nationality. Let's start with Kazakh, of course. Мен қазақпын. Мен, I, Kazakh, You know, I pronounce it with k. K, it comes from here, from the third. Kazakh pun. This pun means am. I am Kazakh. Men Kazakhpın. Next, American. I'm American. Men Amerikalıkpın. Men Amerikalıkpın. And next, Turkish. Men Türkpın. Türk, Turkish, Türkpın. Just change the word to match your nationality. Now let's talk about the languages. I speak Kazakh. Men Kazakhça bilemін. And if you already know this verb bilу, it means to know. And in Kazakh language, we don't say I speak, we say I know. I knows Kazakh. Men Kazakhça bilemін. But it means I speak Kazakh. Next one. Men Kazakhça, Kazakh, Orusça, Russian, және and ағылшынша, English, білемін. I speak. Мен Қазақша, Орысша, және ағылшынша білемін. And the next phrase is super useful for you, which is I Қазақша, Kazakh, үйреніп жүрмін. Үйрену is to learn. Үйреніп жүрмін means I'm learning. This is like a long process of learning the language. Мен Қазақша үйреніп жүрмін. And when you meet someone, then you say танысқаныма қуаныштымын. I know it may sound very long and difficult, but I'm sure you can pronounce this word. Let's try that slowly. танысқаныма қуаныштымын. Once again. танысқаныма қуаныштымын. So, танысқаныма, this first part means to get to know you. To get to know you. қуаныштымын is I am happy. Because қуану is to be happy. қуаныштымын, I am happy. танысқаныма қуаныштымын. The last phrases of today's video is сау болыңыз for goodbye. Сау болыңыз. This is the formal version. Now let's learn the informal. Көріскенше. Көріскенше. Көрісу means to see. Көріскенше, like until we see each other. Like see you. Көріскенше. Now let's pronounce the full introduction together. I prepared for you, so repeat after me. Сәлеметсіз бе? Менің атым Айша. Мен Түркияданмын. Мен студентпін. Мен қазақша үйреніп жүрмін. Танысқаныма қуаныштымын. Now after this lesson, you can try with your name and your country. Now you've just learned how to introduce yourself in Kazakh. If you want to practice more and to get more learning materials, check out my app. It's called Kazakh Language, available both in App Store, also in Play Market, absolutely for free. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment introducing yourself in Kazakh. Көріскенше. See you.